Yamaha is shaking up the custom bike world once again with its latest yard-built project, and this time, 90s nostalgia is wonderfully evoked with the Xzr900 Thunderbolt from the Haxch Moto workshop. Based on the iconic Yamaha XSR900 with modern retro styling, this Thunderbolt isn't just about style. It's a full-on homage to the golden era of motorcycle racing, an era where names like Rainey and Schwantz battled it out on the track. Think YZF750, think TZR250, then imagine all that spirit injected into one modern bike that's savage, light and stylish. But wait, this isn't just a display bike. The Thunderbolt features a chassis that has been retuned for track performance. The rear height is raised by 40 mm, the rake and trail are tightened, and Maxton suspension is implanted at both ends. Dimag wheels reduce unsprung weight, while the HEL performance braking system ensures the bike can stop as quickly as it accelerates. The XSR900 CP3 triple engine was also not spared from the upgrade. Seaton Tuning refined its mapping and dyno setup, squeezing out an extra 10% of performance. The result? More torque, longer top end, and throttle response as quick as the blink of an eye. Check out the body. Everything is formed from pure aluminum, handcrafted using classic metalworking techniques. The fairing, tank and tail look like they were ripped straight out of the British superbike pit lane in '95. The color? Very 90s style, eccentric, bright, and full of character. And the most interesting thing, the Thunderbolt is not just a concept. It's a limited production bike. Each unit is built to order, with a street legal option being developed complete with lights, turn signals, and a hidden tail tidy. Mark Bell, founder of Haxch Moto, summarizes the vision: "We want to bring the soul of 90s racing with modern performance and quality." Intrigued? Visit haxchmoto.com or take a peek at their Instagram at Haxch Moto to see this beautiful machine in person. The Thunderbolt isn't just a bike, it's a time machine for true speed freaks. Thanks for watching.